Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I just wanted to pop hello and say hello and just show you how you can bind off without using waste yarn. I don't like using waste yarn because I don't want to waste my yarn. They're precious and they're very expensive. So I found this. I don't know if it's out there. I did show on a couple of my tutorials, but I wanted to do a separate video. So what you do is you start picking up stitches on a circular needle, and I believe this is a 3.5. That you it has to be a needle size that you can pick up. And what you do is you come and you just pick up stitches like this, and then you put it on your circular needle just like this. So there is 48 stitches. This is my Sentro 48. So what I do is after I divide that 48 on the needle and I bind off. Yeah, because this is going to be a long scarf. It's pretty long because I did 351 rows. Yeah, my counter is wacky, but I've been... And there's another way you can fix this. What you do is you do a couple of this, and then it fixes itself. Yeah, you keep on pushing, and it fixes. I didn't know at the beginning, and so I went and bought a counter. Where it is, it should be here somewhere. Yeah, on Temu, I bought this, a handle, just to be on the safe side, because I want to have it handy if it breaks. And I bought these tensions. They're pretty good. On Temu, it's exactly the same. I can't find my counter. Should be here somewhere. So I just wanted to share this. Yeah, it's here. I know it's here somewhere because I put it next to me. If it breaks, it breaks, and I put it on. So yeah. Oh, I forgot a stitch. So go grab that one first and then come and grab this black. Yeah, the yarn is just perfect. It works so good on my Sentro. I just couldn't believe it. And I'm using every trick that is out there. Let me see if I can grab a ball, because I bought these from Dollarama, and I was just so happy to find these cakes. It's just next to me. Here it is. Sorry. Yeah, this is my craft room, and it's a big mess. I fix it, and it happens again. So this is the yarn from Dollarama. It's just fantastic. $4.50 Canadian I paid. And it works so good. Like I'm working for donations. These are gonna go for the donations. And the yarn is so soft. It is just fantastic. Yeah, but here I am supposed to show you how to... yeah, I don't use waste yarn. I figured this out. And if I have waste yarn, what I do is I make hats. And they look fantastic on a hat. I don't have enough to make scarves, but like I try not to waste yarn. And if I'm knitting a cardigan or a sweater with my hands, not with the knitting machine, I haven't tried it, but I want to try it one day. I'm planning to make leggings, but haven't tried that one either. So this is how you pick it up. So when I'm knitting a cardigan or a sweater, I use the entire yarn. Well, sometimes I buy extra. I will have 1 or 2 balls, but they're not waste yarn. I can make something with them, right? So this is how you pick up the stitches. It's so easy. And I just want to show you. Here we go. When I did it at the beginning, and I noticed it's too much work. Oops, lost a stitch. Just grab it. Oh! My silicone just fell. Okay, here we go. Let me just Oh, got twisted on the yarn. Yeah, I have yarn. I am working on multiple projects at the moment, but I wanted to finish the scarf and then start a hat. Because with the two cakes, I make a scarf, a long scarf. It's pretty long. And then what I do is I make a hat with the two colors. Here's a scarf that I finished. I just want to show you. So this is how I do it, and it looks just fantastic. It's super soft, the yarn. But this technique that I'm showing you, it's very easy. So with the two cakes, I make a long scarf and a hat. And let me just show you the hat. It's at, sorry about it, I have to bend over. Here's my pile right there. Here we go. So this is the hat that I made. It's nice. I only use two colors and perfect for a hat. Yeah. So with the leftover two colors, I'm going to make a hat. But before I do that, let me just show you. Okay. So here is the end. So what you do is, it's twisted. I will fix that later, but first I want to show you. And I am losing stitches. Okay. So I knit. I don't want to waste this yarn. So what I do is, I even knit this. Yeah. So I knit it loosely because this is on a 7mm knitting needle. So I knit it loosely, and I will go all the way to the end because I don't want to waste any bit of the yarn. Right? Okay, here we go. That's what I do. Yeah, if you buy 10, it's almost 50 Canadian dollars. So with the GST and everything, right? So yarn is expensive. Yeah, it's not cheap. So what I do is, there's 48 stitches. So I'm going to move the 24 on this one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 24. Okay, you need a crochet hook. So what I do is, I pull it like this. It's so easy. And the more you make this technique, work on this technique, the faster you will become. Okay, I'm showing it as slow as I can. Okay, here we go. So pull these. So what I do is I just grab one stitch and I come here, and you just use the same technique what you do on grab it from the other one, grab it from the other one. So left, right, top, down, top, down. It's way easy. You don't have to worry about cutting the yarn. Sometimes it gets stuck and you can't. So you cut the yarn, and sometimes even you cut the scarf. So it's a nightmare. So this way it's secure and I don't have to worry about anything. So I picked it from the bottom. I go on the top, and then you just continue. It's super easy, super fast, and I would highly recommend this technique instead of using waste yarn. It's time consuming. You know, you waste 5 rows of the waste yarn, and then what you do is, and then you try to remove it. Sometimes, like I said, it doesn't get stuck, and then it's a nightmare. Okay, so it happened to me, and I've been using this for years now, and this technique. So I just wanted to share because it's super easy. Okay, and I know it's black, but and then you just finish it the way you do. I know everyone knows how to do it. So it's going to be like this. And I just love it, love it, love it. So you can see it better on here. Just fantastic. And I really like this yarn. So I'm going to check other Dollaramas and see if they have it. If not, I grab this and the black and the gray. They do have different colors like burgundy and so on. But they only had one because I want to make a set with a scarf and a hat. So I hope you like this short tutorial. I just wanted to show you this on a separate video, and it's very easy. And yeah, so you guys take care. Happy knitting. Have fun, because it is fun.